Here's how to install ink cartridges in the Epson WF-2930 printer. From the home screen, press on this right arrow until you get to the maintenance. Press OK, then press the right arrow again until you see ink cartridge replacement and press OK. We'll press OK once again, and then it's going to tell you to replace ink cartridges quickly. We will press this button here, and you should hear your printer make some noise, and this is the ink trays sliding out so that you'll be able to change them. To access the ink trays, rotate your printer and pull on this lid. You'll see it's held up by this lever on the left hand side. Remove the cartridges from the plastic packaging and you'll see they have this yellow strip on them. Remove the yellow strip and give the black ink a shake. This is the only ink that you need to do this for, so with the rest of them you don't need to. So now to insert it, you'll see we have black, yellow, magenta and cyan, so make sure you put it in the correct place. I'll take the black ink, simply press it down like this and then give it one final press down and you should hear it click, which means it's correctly installed. You want this latch to be clicked into here. Now I'll take the yellow. You might see that there's a plastic strip on the bottom of it. You don't need to remove it. The printer will just push the ink through itself. So now I'll put the yellow in and then once again give it a firm push down so that it's installed in place. Then we're going to do the same with the magenta and the cyan. To complete the installation, we're going to lift this lid up and then release, and then do it one more time to fully close it. So lift up and then simply release it. Then if you come over to the printer, we're going to press on this button here, and the printer is now going to check that we've installed the ink cartridges in correctly. After a few seconds, you'll get this under maintenance message. Don't do anything into the printer until it's complete. And now we get confirmation that the replacement has been complete.